Land Rover Defender, an awesome four-wheel drive, fantastic on the road and absolutely out of this world off the road. Now this particular one behind me is the 3-litre diesel engine, but it is the D350. And if you haven't watched our other videos, the D350 means it's the 350 brake horsepower output. This particular one is an X-Dynamic SE, but you can see quite clearly it's had thousands and thousands spent on this car to make it look a little bit different and a little bit special. First of all, the colour is called Santorini Black, which is a metallic black. It is a 2025 registration with only 300 miles on, so the car is light new in every single way. The Defender 110 means that it's a 5-door version with 5 seats and a big boot. But then you've got on this car other added extras. So very quickly, just to mention some of the key features: air suspension, electric deployable tow bar, cold climate package, towing assist package, and then you have all the aesthetic looks to it. Black badge pack, black venting, side venting, these are extras, not your standard venting. You've then got the squared LED Fusion Blue DRLs with alongside your standard DRLs. You've got the corner blades and then you've got the conyards, the full extended arch kit. As standard, you do get 360 camera system, front rear parking sensors, but then you've got the 22-inch upgraded alloy wheels in gloss black that really work well on this car, and it has that good sort of aggressive look. Mud flaps, side steps finished in black, sun protection glass, and then you have comfort access. The pod lights on the front. This X-Dynamic SE also comes with tilt and sliding panoramic roof, which is a fantastic feature because it feels nice and airy, lets lots of light in, and obviously air itself. But then look at the interior. So this is a new model, what you call the 2025 model, where they have changed the centre bridge on this car. So you have the raised twin cup holders, the wireless charging pad, that lovely bright white finish to the centre and the backdrop here. The larger screen infotainment system, which gives you Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, DAB digital radio. And then this car has heated seats, front and rear heated windscreen. Very nice soft leather interior, Meridian sound system, electric memory seats. If you come back in again, you can just see in the centre tunnel, the door pockets, and certainly in the backdrop, you have got the ambient lighting now, and that looks really good. Just because it's a Defender, it doesn't mean that you can't have the luxuries of a car, because this one has everything. In the back, you have charging ports, you've got 3-point seat belts, ISOFIX attachments, lots of space, and because the car is elevated with lots of ground clearance, you can see that all 3 passengers in the back will get a nice, comfortable seating position. More lighting in the door pockets, fully fitted mats front and rear. As you get to the back of the car, the first thing you'll notice is the raised, sporty, very sporty looking rear spoiler, the exclusive rear tinted lighting pack, and then you have got the hardback spare wheel cover. In the boot, there's a big boot space. It's a Defender 110, and that's the biggest difference between the 190, 110 and the 90. It's huge. Press the button for the electric deployable tow bar, and because the car's got air suspension, you can press the button to lower and raise the back of the car to make loading and offloading a little bit easier. Tow bar's very clever. It has electrics with it, ready to use. Everything is colour-coded on this car, so it looks absolutely fantastic. Like I said, the 3-litre diesel D350 is the maximum power output you can get on a diesel Defender, and this has got it. Press the button to start, and the first thing that you'll realise, and I say this over and over again, the new diesel engines are nice and quiet. They're very soothing sound to it. And then this one has adaptive cruise control, heated steering wheel, lane assist, full multifunctional steering wheel, and that's all illuminating. Full digital dashboard. The heated seats I've mentioned already, twin cup holders, 2 keys, and the car is in new condition. What else do you get with this car? Well, you get the remainder of the full 3 years manufacturer's warranty. This is a 25 registered vehicle, so it's literally days old. You get breakdown assist if you need that, and you get the peace of mind that the car is light new, so there's no damage, hasn't been smoked in, hasn't been driven really. The car is available on finance. We do take cars in part exchange, so if you have an older Defender or any car for that matter and you want the best price possible, get in touch with myself or one of my team members and be more than happy to help you. Once again, thanks for watching the video. Bye-bye now.